If you're seeing the S13 error during checkout on Shopee in 2025, it usually means your transaction was blocked by the platform's security system. This error appears when Shopee detects unusual account activity or flags a payment attempt as potentially risky. It's especially common when choosing cash on delivery for high value items, using unstable internet, or when the app encounters internal glitches. Start with the basics. Make sure your Shopee app is updated to the latest version, since updates often fix checkout bugs. Then force close the app completely and reopen it. Go into your account settings and clear the app cache to remove temporary data that may be causing conflicts. Logging out and back into your account can also refresh your session and clear minor authentication issues. Next, check your connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it immediately. Shopee security system often flags masked IP addresses as suspicious, which can trigger the S13 error. If the issue continues, try changing your payment method. For example, switch from Shopee Pay to a credit or debit card, or avoid cash on delivery for expensive products. Large COD orders are more likely to be rejected by the system as a fraud prevention measure. You can also remove promo codes temporarily in case an expired or invalid voucher is causing the block. If nothing works, contact Shopee customer support and provide screenshots of the error, along with details about your device and payment method. The more specific you are, the faster they can assist.